Alright, so welcome to another episode of 60-Second Chords. I'm your host, Jamie. We are in the key of C sharp, and in today's episode, we are looking at two progressions that you can use today in your playing. So in the key of C sharp, we're looking at the 2-5-1 in the key of F, and we're also looking at walk up to the 6. So here's the first progression. I'll play that one more time. So on the left hand, we have G and D. And on the right hand, we have an F drop 2, which is F, G, and C. The next chord we have is our diminished chord over the C. So we have C, double up on the bass. C and C, add the G in the middle. And on the right hand, we have C sharp, E, G, B flat. And then the next chord is F, C, and E flat. And on the right hand, we have a regular A flat major chord, which is C, E flat, A flat. So I'll play the progression for you. So this leads you to the 3. Now that I'm at the 3, the next question is, how do I get from the 3 to the 6? Well, here's how we do this. So the chord that you ended on the 3, we're now going to walk it up. So the next chord after this is going to be this progression. So in the left hand, we have F, C, and E flat, and an A flat major chord on the right hand. And we're going to go up. On the right hand, we're going to make this a diminished chord. So we're going to make this C sharp, E, G, B flat. And on the left hand, we have G and D. After we do this chord on the right is going to be moving up a whole step. While in our left, the G is now going to move to A and E on the left hand. On the right hand, it's going to be E flat, G flat, A, C. And then the final chord to get us to the 6, we're going to have B flat, F, A flat, and a regular C sharp major chord. First inversion on the right. F, A flat, D flat, or C sharp. So I'll play the whole entire movement so that we can get this in context. So there you have it. Simple, easy progressions that you can use today to help elevate your playing, whether you're a jazz piano player, gospel piano player, or you're just learning piano.